Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually pay with Apple Pay on Doordash. Now it's very easy. The first thing that you need to do is simply open up your Doordash account and log in. Now from there, make sure that your iPhone or iPad or the device that you're using is actually linked to Apple Pay. So Apple Pay is set up on your iPhone. Now from there, once you've done that, you simply go to the account screen in your Doordash app and you'll find this screen in the bottom right corner of your app. Now from there, you simply press on payment right here in the account settings, and from the account settings you'll be able to add Apple Pay as a payment method. Now that's everything. Now you can also do this with PayPal and other financial payment systems from Doordash. Now that's it. If this tutorials helped you in any kind of way, please leave a like. It helps me out a ton, but most importantly, thank you for watching.